To remove a SIM card from OPPO Reno 15, first of all we're gonna take a look at the bottom of the phone and we need to find our SIM tray, which is over here. And on the SIM tray we can find this hole. You don't want to mistaken it with this hole over here right next to the SIM tray because this is a microphone. So we're gonna use a little eject tool that you can also find inside the box, and we're gonna put it into this hole in here. There we go. And then use a little bit of force, a little bit of pressure to push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. And once the SIM tray pops out, you want to remove the SIM tray from the phone, so you can use your fingernails or fingers. And then once you remove the SIM tray, there we go, we can find our SIM card or SIM cards. So if you have two SIM cards, it might be a little bit harder to remove them. But generally speaking, the thing that works the best for me is a little bit of bending. Like you can use a bit of pressure in order to bend the SIM tray, but just a tiny bit of force. You don't want to use too much, and then usually one of these SIM cards should pop out. Now in case you have just one SIM card, then it is actually a little bit easier because what you can do is you can, for example, use the eject tool and you can poke from the other side. As you can see, we have these three holes, so you can just poke it from one of these sides to make to remove the SIM tray from sorry, not SIM tray, the SIM card from the SIM tray. Now once we remove our SIM cards, we need to slide the SIM tray back into the phone just like that, and make sure that it is fully in. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.